You are not too late to learn AI. 5 years ago, people who learned Excel had an advantage. 3 years ago, it was people who learned how to code. And today, it's going to be people who learn how to use AI to their own advantage. And the good news is this: you don't need to become a programmer. You don't need to have a computer science degree to be able to learn, master, and use AI. So, if in your mind you've been telling yourself, I'm already too late, I'm already too old, no, this video I will show you how to master AI in 3 simple steps. And this step is what you need to start and move your AI skills to the next level. Have you been telling yourself, I think I am too late, everyone already knows AI except me, I am not a tech person? If that is what you listen to, then listen to me carefully. You are not too late. You are only a decision behind. By the end of this video, you will learn exactly what to do. And so, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps. Step number 1, stop trying to learn everything. This is where most people get stuck. They watch hundreds of videos, they read articles, they buy expensive courses, and weeks after weeks, they still haven't built anything. Don't do that. AI is like learning to drive. You don't study every part of engine before you get behind the wheel. You start driving. Learn by using AI every day. Forget trying to master every AI tool. Start with one. I recommend starting with ChatGPT because it is simple, powerful, and useful for almost everything you do every day. Open it every day. Ask questions, write with it, think with it, create image with it, solve problems with it. The faster way to learn AI is by using AI. Step number 2, use AI to solve your real problems. Don't ask random questions like tell me about artificial intelligence. Instead of that, use it in your own life. If you're a student, ask questions. Explain this topic to me like a 15-year-old student. Create 20 practice questions for me on this topic. If you are looking for a job, ask it to improve your CV, write a cover letter for this position, help me to prepare for this interview. If you're a business owner, ask it, write a Facebook post that sells my product and put the product there. Create a 1-month marketing plan for me, give me new business ideas. If you are a teacher, doctor, accountant, engineer, or content creator, AI can help you with weekly content. The more real problems you solve, the faster you learn. That is how experts are made. Not by watching, but by doing. Step number 3 is learn 1 new prompt every day. Here is the secret. AI is only as good as the instruction you give it. Instead of saying, write something, try saying, you are an expert career coach. Write my CV to match this job description and in a friendly tone, highlight my achievement. You see the difference. So the better your prompt, the better your results. Your goal isn't to memorize AI. Your goal is to learn how to communicate with AI. 1 better prompt every day, that is it. Imagine what you will be after 30 days. Now, let me tell you what happens if you ignore AI. People who use AI are already finishing work faster than you are. They are learning new skills faster, they are creating better content, they are getting better job applications. So saving hours every week is what you can do with AI. This isn't because they are smarter, it is because they started using it for their good, to help them to get things done faster and smarter. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting until you feel ready. Nobody feels ready. They become ready by starting to use it. So here is your challenge. Right after this video, open ChatGPT. Ask it to help you solve 1 real problem you are facing today, not tomorrow, today. Then come back and tell me in the comment what you ask AI to do. I would love to read every answer you give. If this video has helped you, remove your fear of AI, share with 1 friend, and tell yourself, I am not too late. You might change your future with just 1 click. Remember this, the best time to start learning AI was yesterday. The second best time is today. I will see you in the next video.